to the channel. If you're new, it's Sahara. So today I am going to be doing another Temu haul. I think I said in my previous one that this was going to be like my last Temu Black Friday, but we still have some time and my order finally came. I didn't think that it was going to get here in the nick of time, but I did remember that you can always expedite shipping as well. They have like about 2 different shipping options for standard shipping and like fast shipping, and then they also have some of these items in local warehouse where you can get it even quicker. So I'm basing this off of that. Before we get started, of course, I'm going to pop the coupon code up on the screen to save you guys some coin when you type it into the search bar. So let's go ahead and get started on this haul. Alright, so I just went ahead and zoom you guys in so we can get started. Obviously, if you've seen by the thumbnail, that may be the reason why you came, so we're just going to start off right there. These 3 things that I got right here are, what are the molds? Silicone molds. So I finally picked these up this year. Last year I seen these on Temu's site. A seller was selling them. Well, they sold out, then they discontinued so quick, so I wasn't able to get them. This time I got 3 of them, and these are for the Grinch. You can tell by... Typically you pour resin, then you pour your colors in, or you can paint the resin, it dries, and then you have your mold, the Grinch standing up, and it has his whole body, and it also looks like he's holding one of those, what are those popular drink mugs called? You can get from Target, I can't remember, but the bigger one is actually the better one because this little small one, I don't know, you're probably not going to be able to see the eyes, but it kind of looks like an evil looking Grinch. And I wanted this big one, and I didn't realize that this one that I got, which was the first one I actually bought, was the wrong one. So I had to go back and get this one. They're about around the same price. They're maybe $4 or $5 for each of these molds. I also got some more Grinch style stuff. I can't remember how many, but they're 2 individual sets of these bowls. I got these different colors because I wanted the ones that look like a swirl. I picked up the Grinch bowl. Hopefully you guys can see that. It focuses on him. So yeah, I thought that this would be so cute to do some sort of DIY. You guys know like the picks that you can typically get from somewhere like Hobby Lobby. You can use these bowls for something like that. A lot of people use these to create those pins that you can pull and like you put the balls like this in. I don't think I'm gonna do that one. The next thing that I got, which was not like a Grinch thing, but I'm kind of gonna use it for that. Santa hat and snowflake little, I don't even know what you would call these, like confetti. And the colors was just giving me those Grinch vibes. So I think like this would be cute for a filler. So like ornaments, for an example. Let's see, do I have one that I could just show you guys? Yeah, so like if you take one of these clear ornaments, you can always put this filling in here. The filling. I also put it in the craft box that I got. It definitely looks like sprinkles that you would put on a cupcake, but it's not that. It's just like for crafts. Also got some Grinch nails that was not going to come in time for this haul, so I was like, I'll just show them some other time. But yeah, they are on the way. They just wasn't going to be in time for this video. So I also picked up this ribbon that says stink, stank, stunk. It doesn't have the Grinch on it anywhere. It has like green and red snowflakes, then it has like the green gift box, and it also has like a red and green gift box, and then it says the stink, stink, stunk. So yeah, this would be cute for a little Grinchy DIY as well. And I did some Grinch DIYs last year, so I'll be doing a few this year. Not a whole bunch, but you know, a few. Next like sort of crafty thing that I got was this gingerbread sleigh. I already have a gingerbread house, but I wouldn't use this for that. Unfortunately, it did come broken right there. DIYs, when I do my DIYs, I'll probably just like end up gluing it that way so you wouldn't really be able to see it. I love the detailing in it. The detail is really nice, and I like how the sleds, I guess, what are these? Canes cross at the bottom, and it also has a little dip in here that you would be able to like glue in some sort of character. The next crafty things that I got was actually a repurchase of the steps. As you guys know, I didn't do them in my Nightmare Before Christmas DIY I just did. For my DIYs, I've been finding so many, what is the word I'm looking for? Hidden gems. That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for the word, or the words, hidden gems. Like they have so many miniature hidden gems. So I did get a pack of the steps, and like I was saying, the core line DIY that I just recently did, the Pink Palace Apartments, I did use these steps on the outside. I definitely need to get another pack of these so I can have like 2 of each color at least. And again, these are steps that you could build up like this to make them longer, or you can put them across like this, so you can build it up like a ladder, or you can build it up like another like another type of ladder that goes across. And I also got the 20 piece of, what are these, like the wood that would go on top of the step. It genuinely has that wood type of effect. Build these like Legos, press it on the top. So yeah, a 6 piece of these earring backs. These are so underrated. The difference that these make on your earrings is impeccable. Kind of like bunny ears, and it's a little bit bigger than your typical earring backing. Now, you know what, I can probably show you as we speak that my earrings always lay down this way. They never stick up, and it already comes with the hole in there. So let's see, can you see the difference with these? And the bunny ears, they do sit up at the top. Okay, look at that. You can see the difference already. Like this one is kind of like leaning, and this one is like up higher. Look at the difference that makes, even though I kind of like how this looks. Definitely recommend, and they're not uncomfortable to use as well. Like it's not gonna make your earring heavier. I actually picked up some more nails. I cannot believe like how much I've been into nails again. Like I mentioned before, I used to wear nails when I was a kid sometimes, but I'm definitely getting back into them. It seems a little bit more healthier on the nails than using nail polish, because with the nail polish remover, I have to constantly, well, with the nail polish, I have to constantly use the nail polish remover, which really breaks down the bed, your nail bed. There are 24 in here. These are actually gonna be better for like the spring, summertime because of the oceanic type of design that they have. Per usual, they always come with the mini nail file, the stickers that you can use to stick on the nails. And actually, I don't think I gave you guys an update on the last Halloween Temu nails that I used, but I used the nail the nail stickers that it came with, and it lasts for like maybe like 2 weeks. It's not something that you have to use nail glue. I use nail glue on my nails because I do, again, a lot of DIY, so I have to make sure that it lasts through the DIY at least. So yeah, these are so pretty. Their nails typically range with like within like the $2 to $10 range. Again, just depending on like the seller or like the quality of the nails. I don't know if I mentioned them in my last Temu haul, but I had these because I am going to be using this with something that I got, something else that I got in this haul. So these are nail decals, the nail stickers basically, and they're for winter. So I am going to do a nail DIY, and I was actually waiting on this that I got in this haul. So these are the 5-piece set of nail art brushes. I did get the color orange red, which is so pretty. They look like a wand. The brush tip is very thin. I have not used them yet, so I do not know how the application will be. But so far, what I can tell, like up against my nail right now, looks like excellent quality. And my main reason for getting this is because my core line nails that I DIY'd, I had such a hard time doing designs on there with the cheap brushes that I had. And I didn't have like these thin nail art brushes. Brushes have to have like some sort of, I want to say like stability to them, to make sure like when you're using them, the bristles are not spreading too wide, which would make a mess. It would make, you know, the lines, they're not crisp, they're like, yeah. And obviously I don't use nail gel, so I can't do certain layers. Like I can't remove certain layers. You know, like with nail polish remover. Once you put something like that on regular nail polish, it's over. The next thing I got, which was like a little bit of an impulse buying, like a little last minute type of thing that I went for, I found this little case. It has this sticker on it, so let me take the sticker off actually. It was like $3 on my way to checkout online, so I was like, you know what, let me just go ahead and get it. And another Temu Black Friday recommendations video, I showed you guys all of my acrylic holders that I got from them. mainly the ones that have the lids. So when I seen this, I was like, I don't really want it, but again, impulse buying. This is something that will go so pretty on the vanity, and I love that their acrylics have like this ribbed looking type of material around it. It makes it look like higher quality, which it is really good quality, by the way. And it also has this removable grid. You can fit lipsticks in here. Let me just show you guys the brushes. So yeah, again, you can put anything on your vanity in here, but it's mainly for like lipsticks and stuff like that. But if you have someone that, you know, loves makeup, this is something that I would definitely recommend buying them. They're kind of a little random for the haul. I picked up the pack of Kim Home Poetic Silk Skincare Cotton Tissue. This is something that you can use to remove your makeup with makeup remover, like the actual liquid. This is not like wet wipes or anything, it's dry. You can also wet these to use them. I opened it so I can see how big they are. They're not as big as I need them to be, so definitely gonna have to pick up another one. The quality seems pretty good. This is my first time, you know, opening this pack to use them. It's the 200 by 150 millimeter, I guess. 100 sheets per pack of the pearl pattern, and I like the pearl pattern. I bought a cotton tissue like this before, and it was the bigger one, so that's why I was like, I was hoping that these were going to be the longer ones, but they're not, so I'm still going to make them work. But the pearl pattern really helps when you pour your makeup remover on these to remove your makeup. Not only remove the top layer, but like to really get in there, because I struggle, especially when using makeup remover wipes, even though I don't really use them anymore. But when I was using them, I felt like it wasn't really removing the makeup well. But the pearl pattern, it kind of gives a little bit of an exfoliating without being exfoliating, of course. Definitely recommend that if you were to pick up something like that, get the pearl pattern. A repurchase actually of the purse bag protectors. So I showed you guys this before. I bought it in the size extra large because I did pick up some more bags. And by the way, I am about to have a bag full for you guys. And this is just something that helps protect your bag from, you know, dirt, dust, dirt. Are you really getting dirt in your room like that? What are those things? Moths. It can protect them from moths as well. It does have the transparent front to it, so you can see all the bags you put in here. Out of all of the sizes that they have, because I did show you guys the size before, but out of all of them, I would definitely just recommend the extra large if you don't get all of them, because this one fits so many bags in one. The next thing I have right here that I actually need to take off this table before it drops is this portable vacuum that's from the local seller. So like I was saying before, they have their local sellers, they have their sellers where it comes all the way, you know, from China, but this came from the local seller, so it took a couple of days to get here. I think it took max 3 days to get here, and it came all the way from California. And if you're on the East Coast like I am, then you know, coming from the West Coast, it can take about the same amount of time that it does coming from somewhere like where, you know, Temu is actually located. It could take just about that long. The only downside to this vacuum and a lot of other portable vacuums that I've noticed is that the opening where it actually sucks it up in is small. I was hoping that it was going to be like one of those long suctions that, you know, it could get all of the dust, all of the dirt, anything that you have that you need to clean all up at once, and it does not do that. It does have a UV lighting right here. Can you see that? So yeah, you can see like that purple blue. So it has like that UV sanitation type of lighting. So I guess it not only cleans but protects as well. And then it has, as you guys heard, 2 different speed settings. It does a really good job at sucking the stuff up. It's just, it would be nice if it was longer so that you can do it at once instead of having to go over this way, then this way, then this way. You know, that's what I'm saying. Like, make these a little bit better, but I would still recommend if you need something quick and simple, and especially if you don't want to go to vacuum your car out. If you don't want to go out, stay home, use something like this. Next thing that I have that's actually for Christmas specifically, I picked this up as a set. Did not come as a set. I found some like winter Christmas slides. What size? I don't even know what size I got these in. I think they come in like sizes where it's like grouped. So for an example, it would be size 6 to 7, something like that. I could run a little bit tighter, but they are furry, white and gold. It has the Christmas tree, snowflake, deer. So cute. I also picked up a pajama type of set. Not wearing it as pajamas. You know how people take family photos? Oh shoot. How they take family photos with their Christmas set on matching. It comes with this string that you tie around here. I'll insert how it looks on, but it kind of has like that kimono. I think it's kimono. I'm thinking about, what was that other thing that I just had? I'm thinking about the kimchi, like it said like that. But I think it's like a kimono style type of outfit. It has the pants, and it is like a satin silk type of material, probably more like satin, but it also has like that snowflake Christmas, also like a Christmas gingerbread house design to it. Match it very well. And by the way, they do have these shoes in 2 different styles. So they have this style where, you know, your foot is hanging on the other side, like it just crosses like this. And then they also have the ones that cover all the way across here. But I just thought like these would be a little bit better, especially with that sizing, which I'm glad that I did decide to get this style instead, because these do fit just a little bit tight for how loose I would have rather had them. Last couple of things that I want to mention. Some hauls back, I cannot remember, probably like towards the middle of this year, something like that. I did mention that I have started buying like bathroom mats from places like Temu. This one right here says shower room. Now it is a little smaller than I initially thought, but again, it was like out the door. I picked up this and 2 other things, and then this mat right here. So this one was like $3, but it's still cute, and it's just something like when you get out the shower, you just put your feet on. So still like it, and I love like the ombre type of brown tones. Okay, and then the last 2 mats, which actually match my outfit, the whole vibe today, even my plant, these 2 mats as well. I thought I got the one that had the 3-piece set, because this set includes the type of mat that goes by your shower. Look at how pretty that is. Look at my tones. Didn't I tell you guys my tones? And this is the mat that goes around your toilet. And then they also had one that again was the 3-piece set, that the other one would go right by your sink. So the other one says shower room, and this one right here says stay true to the original something true to the original Ella eggs. No, I don't even know what that says. But again, it's so pretty, and it's so soft, and it's actually a thicker rubber at the bottom, softer cotton type of material compared to this one. This one is a little bit thinner, a little bit cheaper quality material. It's not rubber right here. It's kind of like that. I don't even know what that material is. Cotton, polyester, like what are we working with here? This one is definitely a higher quality. I mean, it costs more, so of course it's gonna be a higher quality. Again, that one was like $3, and this set was probably like $20-something. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will have everything that I mentioned today linked down below, and hurry up and get it, because Black Friday is right around the corner, and you don't want to miss those deals and the sales. They are having their sales early, but of course, you know, when the day comes, you want to know what to buy if it could take more off for you. So please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.